Well, assuming you input your project into ArchiCAD and then your terrain is complicated. To be able to draw into the terrain, you have to do something like this, which means you cut a slope into the terrain. And in this video, we are going to be covering how you can do that in ArchiCAD easily. Step 1, you navigate to your floor plan, draw the slab you want to cut. Select slab, and then you can just choose an area as an example. Then navigate back to 3D. Well, to be able to extrude the terrain, select the terrain, navigate to design, down to solid element operation. Add the terrain as target, then select the slab and act as operator. Navigate down to choose operation, to subtract with upward extrusion. That means we are cutting off the terrain. Once done, click on execute, and then we have our slab cut down. You can just use the slab to where you desire. Let's say at this point, if that's good by you, and you can vary it back upward. If you're a beginner and you want to learn ArchiCAD, you can contact +237 670 398 075, and then you get a course.